The Central East Police Command says the three suspects, Kwame Ba Mensah, 47, Venice Tremi, 33, and Rose Koba, have been on their wanted list for some time now over the alleged involvement in the killing of 34-year-old Francis Dawson, a TV repairer who resides at Kasoa downtown. City News first published the story of the burning of the 34-year-old TV repairer after he was picked up by the three individuals at his home on the dawn of October 17, 2021, by the three pretending to be police officers. The three men who pretended to be police officers headed to Fifi Pratt, where they burned the victim to death. The police say they are yet to establish the motive behind the killing. The three disappeared after the incident. At the time, the wife of the deceased only managed to recognize his husband by the shirt he wore on the night of his death after visiting the crime scene of the incident on that fateful day. On Monday, the three suspects were apprehended at their hideout at Brekum in the Bono region. Items retrieved from the suspects includes 53 passports, dried leaves suspected to be Indian hemp, 9 mobile phones, different SIM cards, and other traveling documents. Here is the Deputy Central East Police Commander, ACP Odro Amening, speaking to City News about the arrest.
Last year, that was 17th October 2021, an incident occurred within our enclave, and one Madam Grace Dawson went to police station to go and report of a missing of the husband. So she was directed to go to Nyanyano, as the report indicated that the arresting officers told her they were taking him to Nyanyano police station. We found out that he has moved from Kasoa here to Brekum. So last week, Thursday, the team moved to Brekum. We had 53 passports. Dry leaves suspected to be Indian hemp also was found on him. I don't know if he is also dealer in it because it was many. We had 16 for now, and assorted mobile phones 9, and other assorted traveling documents into the various countries also was found on him. And then different types of SIM cards. That one also we had 8 from him.
The police is cautioning the general public to be careful of their movements and report suspected persons.
Different types of SIM cards. That one also we had 8 from him.
The police is cautioning the general public to be careful of their movements and report suspected persons to the police.
The general public should help us, the police mostly, when cases of this nature happen. They should help us so that police will be fast in our investigation. When cases of this nature happens and police comes around and there is nobody to give information to the police, it is very difficult for us to go ahead with our job, because police, we are not magicians and we cannot be everywhere all the time. It is you, the general public, who are everywhere, who will help us so that our work will go on, because security is a shared responsibility. It's not the problem of the police alone. It is you help us, we help you to make your area safe for you to live in.
Calvis Tete, City News, Central East Police Command.